In today's video, I am going to teach you how to order Design double-sided business cards from Canva. We'll walk through choosing the right template, creating both sides, customizing your details, and applying simple design choices that make your card look polished and print. Ready? Start by opening Canva and searching for business card. You'll see a range of templates in both landscape and portrait. Pick the orientation that fits your style. Landscape is classic and easy to scan at a glance, while portrait can feel modern and compact. Choose a template that's close to your brand's look, so you spend more time refining and less time rebuilding. Once it opens, click Add Page to create the second side of the card. Think of the first side as your quick introduction logo, name, and a clear tagline, while the second side supports it with details like your role, website, and essentials you actually want people to use. Now customize. In the editor, replace placeholder text with your own, adjust fonts to match your brand, and upload your logo. Establish a clear hierarchy. Make your name or business name the largest, your role medium, and supporting details smaller. Keep text high, contrast against the background so it's readable at a glance. If you use two fonts, choose a strong simple typeface for headlines and a clean, easy to read one for body text. Avoid cramming too much onto either side. White space is your friend and signals professionalism. Before you get too deep into layout, turn on tools that help you design for print. Go to File, then View Settings, and enable Show Print Bleed. You'll see a boundary indicating where the printer may trim. Keep all essential elements, like logos, names, and contact info, well within the safe area so nothing gets clipped. If you are using a background color or a full bleed image, extend it to the outer bleed line to prevent thin white edges after trimming. As you finish both sides, focus on consistency. Use the same color palette, fonts, and visual style throughout so the front and back feel like a single cohesive piece. Align elements to the same grid, repeat key shapes or lines, and keep icon styles uniform. If one side is bold and graphic, let the other side complement it rather than compete. Give everything a final scan for spacing, alignment, and clarity. You now have a clean, on-brand, double-sided design that's set up correctly for professional printing when you are ready. Thanks for watching.